Oh, hey there. Good to see you back here at Caddy Daddy's garage. Well, look what the cat drug in. As if we needed another project. We got ourselves here a 1990 Allante. The computer in it likes to run the battery dead when it sits for extended periods. So we're going to install a battery cutout. So come on, let's get started. So if you're not familiar with the Cadillac Allante, you might be thinking, I'm kind of in a funny position to be working on the battery, but the battery's mounted behind the passenger seat. And this here is the part we're going to install. Just a basic battery cutoff. It'll work on many different, this is for the side terminal batteries that GM like to use. This applies to any card. We can supply you one for a top terminal, or like this for the side terminal. Now, if you have cars with electronic radio, a clock. There's lots of things that can be a parasitic draw that are completely normal. But if your car sits for a long period of time, something like this might be a handy device. So you can see we've already got the battery disconnected because it's running it down. So this just goes real simple. We got our bolt that came with the unit, and keep everything loose. These cables are old and stiff. I got that started. Looks crooked, but the bolt's going in straight. And that is all there is to it. The device is installed. It's turned on right now. If I back the knob out. Now the power is disconnected to the car. Just remember that if you're going to put a battery maintainer on here or something like that, that you need to be connected to this side and not this side, because when you're connected here, you connect your charger here, it's not going to be getting over to the battery. So if you have a battery tender or you want to put a trickle charger on it, be sure you go directly to the battery post. So it's that easy. This looks like it would be a device that would help you with your problem with a battery running dead. We can supply you both the type for the side terminal and for a top terminal battery. You just want to check to make sure you have enough clearance for it to fit. So if this is something that you could use, you can click on the link in the description below.